Hey everyone, thanks for coming back. This video will be a little bit different today. I will be sharing with you my chicken sausages, but wanted to show you how these were inspired. My husband won some tickets through work to see the Santana concert for free, which we loved when we met back in 1999. We had a blast. During the concert, we smelled peppers and onions and sausage cooking, but we couldn't find any. So of course I went home and made some within the couple of days of this concert. Here's a little peek of the fun that we had. That date night was so much fun and so special. I hope you enjoyed a little glimpse of all the fun that we had at the concert together. So getting right into it, as you can see here, I have 3 types of different peppers. I have yellow, red, green peppers, a half of red or purple onion, a half of a Delia onion, and about 4 or 5 garlic cloves. I also use a half of a shallot. I repeated this step twice since I made one with sauce and one without sauce. I added some of the balsamic vinegar to just intensify the flavors. Black garlic with pink salt was delicious, and I did that for both different pans. My husband wanted sausage and peppers with tomato sauce, and then I just wanted sausage and peppers with a little bit of barbecue sauce. Usually we get turkey sausages, and then sometimes we'll have the occasional pork and beef sausages, but these were actually on sale, so we got super happy, and we bought extras and just had it for the next couple of days. I was pretty surprised that these green wives were actually cheaper than the regular sausages, so we took advantage and made those for days. As you can see here, this is about 5 minutes after the onions and peppers, all the veggies been cooking. It was covered for 5 minutes. If you would like, just wait 5 minutes, cook it without the balsamic vinegar, and then add the balsamic vinegar because it can stick to the pan, as you can see here. But either way, it tastes delicious. When I cooked this, I had this on the higher side, but you want to cook it at a medium high. Now these sausage and peppers and veggies are going to be for my sausages just with a little bit of the barbecue sauce. This one will be for the actual tomato sauce, as my husband wanted the tomato sauce. I did the same exact thing for basically both of them. The only thing I didn't do for the other pan is uncover it because I really wanted more of that grill flavor. Also know that you can put all of these veggies on the grill, cook it with the chicken sausages as well, and then just kind of cut them up when you're done. But I just decided to do this in the pan today. And this is also an option to put Caesar dressing. I don't always do that, and you don't always have to do that, but it does give it a little bit extra tang. And my family's just really into the Caesar dressing. Now this container had 24 ounces, but I only used 12 ounces since it was just going to be for the onions and peppers. If you double the recipe, go ahead and feel free to use the whole jar, but I was just kind of using the leftovers to make 2 different meals. So beginning to end, the veggies should only take 15 to 20 minutes to cook through. You can cook them nice and slow for 30 minutes, but it took me about 15 minutes to get these veggies to get to the texture that I wanted. Now, I did not record on screen here, but I did toast my bread. I just put a little olive oil on top of it and just toast them in the oven at 350 for about 8 to 10 minutes. I can't really quite remember, but just until it gets a little crispy. And then I lightly salted it with some garlic powder, or you can do that and make sure that the inside is toasted. But I just wanted the inside to be squishy and the outside to be crusty. Last touches, I just went ahead and put some of those herbs that I really love and I thought will bring out these sausage flavors even to another degree, and added some cheese. So now you can go ahead and put these back in the oven and let that cheese melt, but we were really hungry and my husband didn't care and he just wanted his food as quickly as possible. So you'll see me not melting the cheese, but usually that's something I also do as well. I make sure that everything is melted and crusty before I serve it. So thank you to all of my subscribers and all of who have come today to visit my channel and watch to the end. I appreciate you all. Remember, I'm still trying to get to 500 subscribers. I was trying to get to 500 subscribers by August, but here we still are, but we are so close to the 400 subscribers. So go ahead, please make sure to share, subscribe, and make sure that you publicly subscribe and publicly watch my channel. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.